So morning. I just woke up and I wasn't able to make a video last night about what I promised that I will be doing a detailed step-by-step sharing about how I got here in Canada. So I'm gonna do it now. So the very first thing that you would need to do would be to review for an IELTS. If you go to the CIC website, what they will be asking you first is, or part of the question that they will be asking aside from your educational background would be, what is your IELTS score, the bandwidth equivalent to the Canadian language benchmark. So you have to have your IELTS first. Review for IELTS. What I can advise to you when taking IELTS is be sure to prepare, because I know English is easy for us Filipino, but I mean majority of the Filipinos, but not all are getting good score, and you need to have at least 7 in all band to be able to get the maximum points for the IELTS or for the language assessment. Now in my case, I reviewed for a month and then I took the IELTS and I got a passing score, but I got 6.5 with my writing. So in order for you to get the highest point for the IELTS, you actually need to have at least 7 across all tests: language, speaking, listening, and reading. So I passed the IELTS. I got the minimum language benchmark for Canadian, but it's not enough to increase your points. Now remember, the express entry pool is a point system, so it does matter. And do a review, take practice tests. There's actually a lot you can find online. There's tutorials in YouTube as well. Maximize it, maximize everything, and prepare. Get all 7 across all bands and you should be okay. So in my case, again, I took the IELTS 3 times, and in the 3rd time I got a perfect score in listening. I almost got a perfect score in reading, and average score in speaking, but in writing I get 6.5, which is just a passing, and it's not good. Other tests that I took are useless if you get 6.5 in one of the tests. So that's what I did, and do the IELTS first, and after the IELTS, have your school credentials assessed. In my case, I went with the WES, or the World Education Services. I'm going to put the website in the description below. I think it took 2 to 3 months for them to finish the assessment or the evaluation, and after that they will be sending you a mail with the result of the equivalency of the degree that you earned in the Philippines. So in my case, I graduated BS Computer Engineering, and the Canadian equivalency after the WES evaluation is 4 years bachelor's degree in Canada. My education is really good here, so I got a high score as well for that. Now in order for you to have the WES assess your credentials, you will need to go to your school and have the school registrar send the credentials directly to WES. So it's not, you don't get the credentials from the school and then you send it to WES. You will be the one to pay for the mail. I think I paid around 3,000 pesos, and have the registrar send it directly to WES. So it should be from school to WES. After you pay for your assessment for WES, they would give you a link description where you can just follow step-by-step instruction. It's easy to follow, just follow it. And so IELTS, school credentials, those are the basics. It might take you like 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 months to complete those 2, and as soon as you have those 2, you are then ready for the express entry pool. Have those first, assess it. If you got all those 2, then you can create a profile to the express entry profile through the CIC website. And again, I just woke up, so I can't really think of anything else to share. That's all for now, and I'll talk to you again later. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing a lot more, and yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.